Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ChatGPT Team for team-based automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with the ChatGPT Team for team-based once on the home page, locate the sign up or register button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the button to be redirected to the registration page. Fill out the required fields, including your email address and a strong password. Ensure the email you enter is valid, as you will need access to it for verification. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from ChatGPT. Open the email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the ChatGPT website and log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, navigate to the Team section, usually found in the dashboard menu. Here, you will find the option to create or join a team. If creating a new team, select Create Team and enter your desired team name. You may also add a brief description for clarity about your team's focus. Next, invite team members by entering their email addresses in the provided field. Ensure to send the invitations by clicking the Send Invites button. Once your team members accept the invitations, they will join your team. To manage team settings, access the team management interface from the dashboard. Customize your team permissions and access levels based on your requirements. Explore the automation tools available for team use to streamline your processes. As a final step, ensure all team members are familiar with the tools and features available to maximize productivity. Congratulations, you are now registered with the ChatGPT Team for team-based automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.